We do a lot of outside-the-box thinking at ISCS. The new museum at Liberty Island is dedicated to the legacy and the history, not just of the statue, but a story of America itself. We're in an era where construction, resiliency, sustainability, the carbon footprint for everything we do on a job site matters. When you're communicating new technology, new ideas, new solutions, you need to have a totally new approach.
The first time I saw Prezi was through Chris. He was explaining to me what was taking place on Liberty Island. That project is a fascinating process, and there was a lot that was going on. And what was really cool is he just had his iPad and he was just looking at the project, and all the intricacies of the project were right there.
I'm not a designer. I don't have a design background, but Prezi is very intuitive, very easy to use. Prezi makes all the difference. With traditional presentation software, you are stuck to this slide by slide by slide method of explaining. Well, with Prezi, I can go to any part of the presentation I want, depending on the flow of my audience.
I'm excited about Prezi because I'm able to bring innovation to the table.
Prezi gives you so much control on how you deliver information. You can take a lot of complex ideas in a visual manner and easily pass that knowledge on to your audience.
The synergy of work is there. The 11,000 people that are in my organization, the professionals that are learning the craft, can now take the Prezis that I give them and use the same tool all the way down the chain.
People will always compliment you on it. There will always be somebody that's, what is that? Where did you find it? How do you spell it? In my line of work, if you're not innovating, you're falling behind. Concrete doesn't need to have an expiration date. That's not sustainable. That's not resilient. Likewise, the way you communicate should mirror the way you approach your business. Prezi is something that advances with you.
I think this is a great project. I love how Chris can take innovation and apply it to a large-scale project like the Liberty Project, and we can actually see the things that scientists and chemists are doing in the lab enacted in real life, and to see that whole process, and to think that it all came around and came about, through a common vision that was shared, on a tablet. That's really something.